Okay, Kathy, so here's what I need you to do to get your movie into a format that we can actually put on YouTube. So it's hopefully pretty easy. So you'll see that I have your movie open here. Not this is what I need you to do is go up to this place, this button right here. It's right above the paste icon. It's the blue thing. Has an arrow pointing down. So click on that, and a menu should open up that looks like this. So what we need to do is change the format of the video. So go down to where it says Save Movie, and then you'll see over to the right, another list kind of popped up. So scroll, go to the recommended for this project and click on that. Now, I'm having something that pops up like this, which is why I can't fix it for you. But what we need to do is to save it as a WMV file. Okay, a WMV file. Now, it'll ask you where you want to save it. It'll ask you to title it something like that. So make sure that you note where you save it. You might just save it onto the desktop, which means that it'll just be somewhere on the desktop here and we can find it again. Okay, so save it as a WMV file, and then title it something that you can remember, and stick it, maybe save it on the desktop. Then when we go to YouTube, this is what we need to do. So when you go to YouTube, kind of exactly like we did before, if you see a box in here that says sign in, then you need to sign in. But if not, if you see the little blue guy that you saw before with your name, then all you need to do is click on this. If you need to sign in with your Carl Albert account. That looks like, it'll look like this. Okay, and then you should, I've got my picture there, but you should have like a little blue person there. So what we want to do to put your video onto YouTube is to click on this thing that says upload. And then it takes us to that page that we were at before. And as you know, we have to stick it to public. Then we want to click right on these words here that says select files to upload. What that does is bring up a window here that it's asking us basically to go find the file we want to upload to YouTube. So what we need to do is find our video. So if you saved it on the desktop, you can click on the desktop over here and then look for the title of your video. This is everything that's on my desktop. Or if maybe you saved it in your videos folder, or like you said, you may have saved it in your documents folder, then click on that over here, and then it will list here everything that's in your documents folder. Okay, or like this one is everything that's in my videos folder. So here's some of my videos that I've done. So we'll go ahead and use one of these just for fun. So here's a video that I did. Well, here's the virtual campus update, the one that you saw the other day. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm uploading that to YouTube. So this is now remember, I'm trying to find the file that I want to put into YouTube. So here it is. I'm going to select virtual campus update, and when I double click it, it automatically starts uploading, as you can see right here. Automatically starts doing it. So and it gives, so here while it's uploading, you can give it a title if you want to. You can give a description if you want to, but probably it will be just fine. When it's done, all you have to do is click publish. It's here in just a few seconds. And then what you have here is it says your video will be live at this address. Now this address right here, every video that goes onto YouTube is given a specific, like a link that's specific just to it. So we can actually copy this link now. Okay, and then while that's finishing, I'll show you how to put it into Blackboard. Okay, so let's say we were going to go and put it into your class. Okay, so here's where your instructor video is. So let's edit that so we can put the video in. Now remember, I've copied this link, so I'm kind of holding on to that with my with my mouse. So here's what I want to do. I want to put a video in this area. So I'm going to hold the mouse over this film strip looking button, and you'll see that it says Insert or Edit Embedded Media. So I'm going to click on that. Now here is where, remember that link that I was holding onto with my mouse? Here is where I am going to right click in this box and I'm going to paste that. That's a URL is what that is, and it's telling it this is the video that I want. Okay? So this is the video that I want, and then I'm going to click Insert. Now what you'll see is this weird like yellow box here. Don't be alarmed. This is what it looks like from this end. But when you click Submit, once you're done with that, if you see the yellow box, then you're good, in good shape. Click Submit, and what you'll see is your video show up right here. Okay, so this is how to get a video. It's kind of a two-step process. You get the video from your computer to YouTube, right, through this process here, and then you get the link, right, and you put the link to the video into Blackboard so that students can access it. I hope that makes sense, kind of, and if it doesn't, call me back, send me an email. We will definitely work through it. Okay, no worries, no worries.